Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G5S Plus and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the auto settings. Now let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can change auto to the manual. So here we have access to kind of pro mode, and as you can see we have some settings we can manage. This mode allows us to control some shooting parameters, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills, for example, or making experiments with photography. So let me start with the first one button here. As you can see we get access to this slider. Here we have the autofocus. By using this slider we can change it to the manual, and as you can see we can easily focusing like that now. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the white balance, so we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. We can also see these short icons on the slider that suggest us which light is good for which conditions we have in the area where we take a picture. So we have the tungsten light, white fluorescent light, daylight, and the cloudy light. And as you can see, the temperature will allow us to control kind of balance between the blue and the orange light. So this is how it works. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the shutter speed, so we can manage the time of taking photo. By using this slider we can make our time much shorter, from 1/6000 of second. So this is really short time. This should be better to objects, for example, that are in move, to frozen them at the picture. By going to the right on this slider we can make our time much longer, to 1/4 second. So this is the longest time here, and this should be definitely better to objects that are stable. So this is how to use this. Let me stay for example here now. The next one button here is the ISO, so we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the right more sensitive to 3 and 2000. So this is really wide spectrum also, and this is how to use this. And now let's move to the next one button here. Here we have the exposure compensation slider, so we can manage also the light of our picture. By going to the right we can make our photo more bright. By going to the left we can make it more dark. So this is how it works. And the last one button here is a really cool option. This is one of my favorite options in the Motorola devices. When we tap on it we get access to all of the sliders at the same time, so we can easily control all of these parameters and see them at once. And as you can see this is how it looks like. Now let's move to the right corner. When we tap on this button all of this goes back to the auto settings. So we can of course go back on all of the sliders to the auto at the beginning, but we have this extra button so we don't have to go separately. We can do it just at once here. So this is how this pro mode works here. Now let me use the settings to take some picture. And to see it, let's move to the right corner at the bottom to the gallery. So this is it, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.